Not all science comes through years of hard work towards a specific goal. Sometimes it occurs through what looks like a sheer accident. The scientific element here, as you'll see, is the ability and the curiosity to examine what looks like a mistake, and the constant asking of those key elements of what, why, and how can make a breakthrough that might otherwise have been missed. Examples include Constantine Thalberg. When working with some chemicals in 1879, he accidentally carried some of the chemicals back on his hands. And whilst eating some bread later, he noticed the bread tasted sweet. It was an inquiring mind and some slightly sloppy health and safety that led to the accidental discovery of saccharin as a sweetener. Percy Spencer was another person who questioned why. When he was inspecting a magnetron, which was powering an active radar, he noticed that the candy bar in his pocket had melted. Later, he tested this with some other foods like popcorn, and from this success, went on to create the microwave oven. One of the most famous accidents came from Alexander Fleming. Taking a 2-week holiday, on his return he noticed that there were some mould growing in one of his petri dishes. Rather than just discard it, he noticed that the existing bacteria in the dish didn't grow where the mould grew. From this we now have penicillin. Laminated glass came about when a poorly cleaned glass flask was dropped. The coating of plastic cellulose nitrate prevented the glass from producing shards of sharp glass when the flask broke. This led Edward Benedictus to produce a glass plastic composite safety glass. William Roentgen noticed that whilst he was working with a cathode ray tube, a close-by fluorescent screen also glowed when the tube was on. He then tested to see what would happen if he put various objects between the tube and the screen. Noticing that some objects could be penetrated by the rays, he quickly went on to develop the X-ray machine. Superglue, pacemakers, Teflon, and many others were all the result not just of accidents, but people with a keen enough mind to think that this isn't what I planned, what can I do with this? Learn from your mistakes and help the world be a better place. Thank you.